Hey everyone, we are currently in Asheville, North Carolina. Last time, you joined us as we took on the Outer Banks, which was the very first stop on our coast-to-coast adventure. This time, we visit one of our favorite cities, Asheville, North Carolina. So sit back, relax, and join the adventure. It's Carol in her natural habitat.
Shut up.
A wild Carol.
My hair does look wild right now, so.
We're about to go walk over and get some coffee from the awesome Double D's. He's never been, so it's a first for him.
I'm excited.
We need some caffeine first. There you go.
Do you want a dirty chop?
Is it pumpkin-y?
It's hot.
Bring
It's
it
good.
up.
It's really, really good.
10 out of 10.
Double D's. Highly recommend. Look
You
at
want me to
those
get it?
buns. You want a bun?
You spoiled, Juno.
It's a good bun. Cucumber, arugula, tempura, eggplant, marinated tofu. It was like a spicy or like a miso sauce. And obviously the steamed bun is delicious. Got some vegan poke. Nice enough to give me some tofu.
And the main event, ramen.
Carol's favorite.
It's so awesome.
Can't go anywhere without ramen.
Can't go wrong with it. It's delicious. It's be interesting.
Carol once told me we're gonna try ramen everywhere we go, and whoever has the best ramen, we're gonna move there.
Hey, it's a great option to pick it where you want to live, so.
Is this the place?
I don't know.
We shall see. What's
right.
the verdict?
It's alright. I'll give it a solid 5 out of 10. It's got some green ramen noodles just first. They're good, but it's got tough competition.
I think this is the first bowl of ramen you didn't completely destroy.
What can I say?
That's saying something.
I'm dedicated to Noodle Boulevard in Raleigh. If you're ever there, tofu curry ramen, you won't go wrong.
So we gotta move back to Raleigh.
No.
Made it to the Asheville Pinball Museum. Gonna play some games.
Hell yeah.
I do these. This is the one.
All right, so we're here at the Pinball Museum in Asheville, and honestly, if you come to Asheville, it's a must. It's $15, unlimited play. There's so many different machines, and then there's also some arcades in the back. So we'll be hitting those up. Ben's playing his first one at Space Mission. Dun dun dun. It's not doing great.
Already lost one.
Darn it.
I know. That's so We realize how much we suck at Maria. Yes. Go. Okay.
You made it. Closer. And dead. Dang it.
that was a lot of fun. What do you think?
It was freaking awesome.
Freaking
Here in
awesome.
Asheville.
Must stop
Must go.
is the Asheville Pinball Museum. Now we're getting Juno some goodies, and then we're gonna eat some chocolate. So we got the peanut brittle chocolate torte, the dark sipping chocolate, and then the vegan truffles. I'm hyped.
So we are on our way to our favorite brewery in Asheville, which is New Belgium.
One of our favorites.
This is true. There's lots of good ones to choose
Too
from.
many to choose from. But we're excited. It's an awesome place.
And then we got Juno's little co-pilot. She doesn't do much, she just sleeps. Everyone, so in case you're wondering where we're at in our RV, clearly we're not in it right now, but Ben's got a little bit of an update for you.
Yep, so it is still in the shop. They are working on it, so we should have it in the next few weeks. Fingers crossed. You comfy, Juno?
I am for her.
The life of a dog.
She's chilling now. She's warm.
You happy? Yeah.
Oh, pizza.
So it's not the best of mornings. I have been up since 3. And I know Carol was tossing and turning. I don't know if she's still asleep. But I went and got some dirty chais and some vegan donuts, so hopefully that makes this morning a little better.
I'm not awake. No.
Morning.
Need coffee. Ben's making the Royal Highness's food of pumpkin and broccoli.
She's better than we do. Just kidding.
But she's patiently waiting. Don't mind the mess. Yes.
As some of you may know, we purchased some land outside of Asheville back in early July. However, we have not been to the lot since our closing. So while we were in the area, we wanted to stop by and see what condition the land was in.
So we made it to our land to check how it's doing. Not too bad so far. Saying hey to the neighbor's goats. What you think, Juno? Hey. Good morning. So our land needs a little bit of love. Got a little overgrown. But look at that view. Might have a yurt right there someday, or an earthship of some sort. And here's our land. After visiting our land, we decided to take a drive on the iconic Blue Ridge Parkway. We parked at a lookout point to eat some lunch, and then we went to one of our favorite hiking spots along the parkway, the Craggy Pinnacle Trail. Ready to go?
After having slept like total the night before, we decided to head back to the Airbnb and relax for the rest of the day. Along the way, we picked up some delicious Caribbean food for dinner from 9 Mile.
Good morning, lads. Today is our last full day in Asheville, and we are spending it in West Asheville.
So we are on our way to get some caffeine, as what's a day without it? So tag along, and here we go.
So pull up your trousers and tag along. Ready to get married?
Not there. Got some new glasses.
You hippie.
It's delicious.
Got the vegan banh mi. I'm gonna try something different, the Crunchwrap Supreme. See how it goes.
I'm not sharing.
What?
This is all mine.
What?
How was it? Did it beat the banh mi?
Banh mi is the way to go. Simple cafe, vegan banh mi, nothing else.
Juno likes her little snacks too. You want another carrot?
Just got to Pleb Urban Winery, and we're gonna try out some wine tasting. So we got a red flight and a funky flight.
We may have started some.
Yeah, I may have taken a sip. Carol's a little eager.
Getting a nice little wine sip. Oh. How you actually do a wine tasting. Little swirl. Sniff. Smells pomegranate. Granite-y. Oh, I messed that up. No wine to be spilled or lost.
Feeling quite groovy.
Those are mine.
Vegan cheese.
Seasonal brie, black garlic, and fig. And it's all vegan.
Got a coconut cinnamon popsicle. What'd you get? Strawberry?
Yep.
And some breadsticks for the cheese.
Heck yeah.
Fresh breadsticks. How's that smell?
Smells fantastic. If only you could smell. Alright, so we're not going thirsty, but we came to Urban, or what is the name of it?
Urban Orchard Cidery.
There we go. And we figured, why not get the flight of 9?
See how it goes.
One more. So, after him seeing my brand new glasses all day, he decided he just had to have some.
Yeah, I got a little jealous.
Yeah. They look quite nice.
Made it impulse buy.
Hey.
Has nothing to do with alcohol.
There are evening glasses.
That is a wrap for our Asheville trip. We hope you enjoyed our video, and if you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. You can also follow us on Instagram at Adventures with Ben and Carol.
And if you're interested in seeing Asheville by drone, click on the link in the description below to watch an Asheville drone video uploaded onto my personal channel. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.